In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude weekends in Monday.com to help streamline your planning and project management. If you found yourself needing a bit more structure in setting workweek goals or just want cleaner calendar views, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. To start off, navigate to your Monday.com homepage. This is where you typically begin your journey with Monday.com, whether it's checking tasks, managing boards, or organizing projects. Now, to adjust your calendar settings, the first thing you'll need to do is move up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon displayed subtly amidst other vital buttons. Clicking on this profile icon will trigger a drop-down menu where you'll find several administrative options and settings tailored to your needs. Once you have the drop-down menu open, look for the Administration option. Click on this option to access a whole new list of tools and configurations that allow you to manage various aspects of your Monday.com account. This is where you have the power to control everything from user settings to account preferences. Now, with the administrative panel open in front of you, your next step is to select the Account section. This area houses all the essential settings related to your account configuration, preferences, and privacy. Upon clicking this section, you are now edging closer to achieving that perfect week layout by hiding those non-working weekend days. Within the account settings, you will now see a tab or section labeled something akin to Show Weekends on Calendars. It's this seemingly small feature that holds the key to tightening up your calendar view. What you need to do here is select the option to Hide Weekends. With a single click, the system will automatically save this preference on your behalf, so you can focus back on more pressing tasks without the hassle of worrying about any further settings or saving requirements. The adjustment we just made means your calendar becomes more work-focused, allowing you to visualize your tasks and deadlines more easily during the weekdays, effectively hiding those weekends from view. Not only does this help reduce visual clutter, but it also centers your attention precisely where it needs to be, on the core working days. This little tweak in your setting can make a substantial difference in how clearly you see your schedule, tasks, and commitments. That's all there is to it. With weekends well hidden, your Monday.com calendar is now perfectly crafted to reflect a streamlined workweek, making your planning just that much easier. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial, and I hope it helps to enhance your productivity as you maneuver through your weekly agenda. Stay tuned for more time-saving tips and tricks to maximize efficiency in your projects.